Hello aspirants, welcome you to my YouTube channel UPSC BPSC Warriors. Hope you are doing well and preparing for UPSC 2025 prelims. You might be panic about current affairs from where to cover and how to make notes. Well, in this video, we are going to discuss the 2024 prelims current affairs source. So let's begin. What are the sources that you must follow? There are four important sources: The Hindu, The Indian Express, Down to Earth Magazine, and PIV. I request you to visit the website because UPSC is framing question directly from the headlines. So, how to cover the current affairs? Visit the websites and read the headlines. Make notes from the headlines that are covered in the Hindu, the Indian Express, Down to Earth, and PIB because UPSC is framing question directly from the headlines. Current affairs are very easy and you can grab nearly 16 to 20 marks if you do this on regular basis. So we are going to start a daily video series on current affairs from the headlines that are published on the website of the Hindu, the Indian Express, Down to Earth, and PIB. Current affairs are low hanging fruits which can be easily grabbed. You will trust after watching the sources of the previous year. Question number 60. Which one of the following was the latest inclusion in the Intangible Culture Heritage list of UNESCO? First is Chho dance, second is Durga Puja, third is Garba dance, and fourth is Kumbh Mela. Now, the source of this question was from the headlines of the Hindu. Garba of Gujarat make it to UNESCO Intangible Cultural Heritage. So, the correct answer is Garba dance. Now, sustainable aviation fuel SF using indigenous feedstock make in Indian technology. Unlike traditional jet fuels, SAF is produced from the renewable source such as agricultural waste, municipal solid waste, and forest residue. It was published on PIB, and from here UPSC framed a question. Consider the following materials: agricultural residue, corn grain, wastewater treatment sludge, wood mile waste. Which one of the following can be used as a feedstock for producing sustainable aviation fuel? Now, from here, agriculture waste is used, municipal solid, yes, and from forestry residue. Corn grain is not given, so we can eliminate this, and from here we can come to the conclusion that 1/3 and 4 are the correct. Now, which of the following countries are well known as the two largest cocoa producer in the world? This source was also from the headlines of the Hindu newspaper. Pieces of cocoa bean shoot up at all times and high due to the short supply. The major are cocoa producers Ivory Coast and Ghana. So the correct answer is option number C. Now read this question. Membrane bioreactors are often discussed in the context of. This question was directly framed from the headlines of the Down to Earth magazine. India is adopting advanced sewage water system treatment. Techs must choose those that are best meet local needs. Membrane bioreactors are used for sewage treatment. So the correct answer is option D. So if you are visiting the websites of the Hindu, the Indian Express, Down to Earth, and PIV, these questions are too easy for you to handle and you can easily secure 2 marks. Now consider the following countries: Italy, Japan, Nigeria, South Korea, South Africa. Which of the above countries are frequently mentioned in the media for their low birth rates or aging population or declining population? Top 10 countries with the lowest fertility rate in 2000. Here is the list given of our top 10 countries and you can answer from there. Now, IIT Madras study reveals presence of forever chemical in Chennai. Forever chemical is also known as PFS. Now, from here UPSC framed a question with reference to the PFS that are used in making many consumer products. Consider the following statement. So if you have read these articles, you can easily handle this. Now the term pumped hydrogen power is in the context of which one of the following: irrigation of terraced crop field, lift irrigation of cereal crop, long duration energy storage, rainwater harvesting system. This question has been framed from the down to earth headline, unlocking power of pumped storage as hydropower, means long duration energy storage because it is related to energy only. Consider the following. Here five options are given. Parasitoid species are found in how many of the above kind of organism? This question source was the Hindu headline that was published on 8 March 2024. A few questions which we are not discussing the answer. Let's wait for the UPSC final answer key. But I have discussed the source from where UPSC is framing the current affairs questions. Thank you for watching. Let's meet in next video.